Ever wondered which programming language to start with? Well, you're not alone. The choice of your first programming language can be a daunting one, but it's also incredibly important. It's like picking up your first instrument or choosing your first foreign language to learn. The programming language you choose to start with can shape your understanding of programming as a whole and influence your future career path. But here's the catch. There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. The right language for you depends on a myriad of factors, including your personal goals, interests, and career aspirations. Are you aiming to build mobile apps, or are you more intrigued by data science? Do you want to work in a specific industry or at a certain type of company? These are all aspects you need to consider. So how do we make this choice? Let's delve into the world of programming languages. Firstly, let's consider the ease of learning. How quickly can you pick up the basics and start coding? When we talk about coding languages like Python, JavaScript, and Ruby, we can't ignore their varying degrees of readability and simplicity. Python, for instance, is renowned for its straightforward, English-like syntax. This means you can focus more on problem solving and less on navigating complex rules and structures. On the other hand, JavaScript, the backbone of web development, is a bit trickier to grasp. Its syntax is more intricate, but it's also incredibly flexible, allowing you to approach problems in numerous ways. Ruby, similar to Python, is also known for its readability and simplicity. However, it's less widely used, which might limit the community support you can find. And then there's the abstraction level. Python and Ruby are high-level languages, meaning they handle a lot of the nitty-gritty details for you. This can be great for beginners, as it allows you to grasp the core concepts without getting bogged down by the minutiae. JavaScript, on the other hand, is a bit lower level, giving you more control but also requiring a deeper understanding. Community support is also a key factor in how quickly you can pick up a language. Python and JavaScript have massive global communities, providing a wealth of resources and help for beginners. While Python might be the easiest to learn, remember that ease of learning shouldn't be the only deciding factor. Now let's talk about job prospects. Which languages are most in demand in the job market? It's a crucial question for those starting a programming career, and the answer can vary depending on the industry trends and job postings. Currently, Java, JavaScript, and Python are among the most sought-after languages by employers. Java, being a stalwart of enterprise-level applications, is widely used in large corporations. JavaScript, on the other hand, rules the web development sector, given its front and back-end capabilities. Then we have Python, a language celebrated for its simplicity and versatility. It's a big hit in the realms of data science, machine learning, and even in web development. Each of these languages has its own unique strengths and caters to different sectors. So if job prospects are a big factor for you, Java, JavaScript, and Python seem to have the edge. But what about versatility and future-proofing? Which languages offer the most flexibility and are likely to stay relevant in the future? Well, let's dive into that. When we talk about versatility in the programming world, languages like JavaScript and Python often come to mind. These languages are like Swiss Army knives, able to adapt to various domains. JavaScript, for instance, is a cornerstone of the internet, powering much of the web's interactivity. It's used for web development, game development, and even server-side programming with technologies like Node.js. And then there's Python. Python's simplicity and readability have made it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. It's widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning thanks to powerful libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow. But it's not just confined to these areas. Python is also a popular choice for web development and automation tasks. Now let's talk about future-proofing. The field of programming is always evolving, but some languages show a strong staying power. Both JavaScript and Python have been around for over 2 decades and they're still going strong. They are constantly being updated and improved, with a vibrant community contributing to their growth. When choosing a language to learn, consider not just what's popular today, but what will continue to be useful tomorrow. Languages that are versatile and have a proven track record of longevity offer a safe bet. Choosing a versatile language like JavaScript or Python could open up a wide range of opportunities for you in the future. So, which programming language should you start with? Let's quickly revisit the key points we've discussed today. We started off with ease of learning. Some languages are undoubtedly more beginner-friendly than others. Python, for instance, is widely acknowledged for its simplicity and readability, making it a go-to choice for many newcomers. However, the ease of learning isn't the only factor to consider. We must also think about job prospects. Languages like Java and JavaScript are in high demand in the job market, largely due to their wide use in web and application development. If your goal is to land a job in the tech industry, these languages might be worth considering. Next, we touched on versatility and future-proofing. It's crucial to choose a language that's versatile and adaptable to future trends. For instance, languages like Python and JavaScript are not only versatile in their applications, but also continually evolving, making them future-proof to a large extent. But here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of which language you should start with. It largely depends on your personal interests and long-term goals. Are you interested in web development? JavaScript might be a good fit. Do you want to delve into data science or artificial intelligence? Python could be the way to go. What if you're still unsure? That's perfectly fine. Remember, it's okay to switch languages as you progress and learn more about your preferences. The skills you acquire while learning one language, like problem solving and logical thinking, are transferable and will benefit you no matter which language you choose to study next. So, don't stress too much about choosing the perfect language to start with. Instead, focus on getting your hands dirty and diving into the fascinating world of coding. Over time, you'll discover which languages you enjoy working with the most and which ones align best with your personal and professional goals. Remember, the best programming language to start with is the one that best aligns with your goals. Happy coding!